Welcome. This video introduces you to the business statistics component of a pre-MBA course. And the business statistics is it's a prereq for the MBA program. You need to have a course in it, and it's because it touches so many different business areas in terms of finance and economics, production accounting, marketing research. And we want you to be able to understand the basics of business stats. We want you to be able to take data and convert that into information to make decisions. The other part of this class that makes it somewhat unique is that we do everything in Microsoft Excel. So this class is designed with Microsoft Excel as the vehicle for doing statistics. We'll start out with a basic appreciation, understanding of statistics in terms of what is descriptive stats, inferential stats, what's the purpose. I'll do some work we'll follow that with some work in Excel showing how you can do some basic descriptive stats in Excel, building graphs, pivot tables, calculating sampling statistics like means and standard deviations. And then we move on to a component of inferential stats, and before we can get there we need to do a basic coverage of probability and what a probability distribution is. As part of that, we'll introduce the normal distribution, which is the most important probability distribution. We'll continue with estimating and learning how to use confidence intervals to do some estimation. Hypothesis testing is when you have a question and you want to take a sample and be able to learn something about the population and be able to make some conclusion about the population. And that effort of seeking an answer, we can use a scientific method, which is hypothesis testing. And then we'll finish up with an understanding of how to begin the effort of pursuing truth in terms of cause and effect, which I think is a critically important part of a business degree. And simple linear regression or regression is where we try to explain or predict a dependent variable's result as a function of manipulation of independent variables. And we want to be able to show how to do those. Again, all of this, our vehicle for learning stats, will be Microsoft Excel. I'll do my best to keep Excel in its most generic form, but I am developing this in a Windows-based machine, and so the version of Excel that I'll be using is a Windows operating system version, not a Mac version. Thank you.